Hello there. My name is Michael Carson, and I'm a research forester here at the North Central Research and Outreach Center. Our research forest is composed of 220 acres of different ecosystems with a spectrum of different forest cover types and age classes. In addition to our 82 uniquely managed forest stands, lies nearly 5 miles of recreational trail for hiking, skiing, and snowshoeing. In the following video, I'd like to give you a quick tour of our place and introduce you to some of the recreational opportunities that exist here at the NCROC. Follow me. In 2017, 1.2 miles of NCROC trails officially became a segment of the 4,600-mile North Country National Scenic Trail. The trail through NCROC takes hikers through several diverse ecosystems and research areas in our forest. From the west, you will pass along our apple orchard, go by a deer exclosure research stand, travel through our famous Chapman plantation, pass through our natural management area that includes a peat bog and an old-growth pine forest, and lastly, travel through a red pine thinning study. If hikers would like to continue along the North Country Trail, they can take it north into the Boundary Waters, down the Superior Hiking Trail, and all the way east of Vermont. But if you're looking for something a little bit shorter, hikers can take the North Country Trail west and follow it to its terminus in North Dakota. One of our most popular attractions here at NCROC is our peat bog. This unique ecosystem is a testament to organisms that have learned to thrive in nutrient-poor sites. Our bog showcases various evolutionary adaptations. For example, many grow woody stems and develop evergreen leaves that persist through the Minnesota winter. And larger species, such as black spruce and tamarack, create a wide but shallow root system and slow growth to ensure survival. Some plants have even developed other means of obtaining nutrients, such as the pitcher plant, which absorbs nutrients from insects that are unfortunate enough to be drawn in by their sweet nectar, never to escape. Beneath the surface of the green carpet that is sphagnum moss lies accumulating organic material that is built up over the past several hundred or even thousands of years. Decomposition in peat bogs is extremely slow, and instead of truly decomposing, the organic matter compresses into peat. Despite the hard conditions of the bog, beauty abounds in the various flowers that grow here, including pale laurel, bog rosemary, blue flag iris, lady slippers, and many others. A stroll down our boardwalk allows you to witness all these ecosystem interactions unfold as the organisms compete and coexist with one another. The Chapman Plantation still stands to be one of the oldest red pine plantings in the United States. Planted in 1900 by Herman Chapman, the first forestry graduate from the University of Minnesota, the stand was designed to research growth impacts of different planting densities. The stand persisted through several early fires and lack of management between Chapman's forced departure in 1904 until the 1950s. Despite these adversities and many windstorms since, these giants remain standing to continue to offer insight into growth rates of mature red pine. This stand is remeasured every 5 years and was remeasured this past summer. In 2018, we installed a climate change demonstration planning on the southwestern side of the forest, highlighting species and sources from southern regions. Interpretive panels were added in 2019. The planted trees have been slow to establish, not because of climatic conditions, but because deer have browsed these new species and caused significant damage to their leaves and buds. In the next few years, these trees will take root and demonstrate how our changing climate will potentially affect our forests in the future. Come visit the site in person to learn more. Thank you for joining us on this brief tour of the NCROC forest. John Muir once wrote, "Of all the paths you take in life, make sure at least a few of them are dirt." So we hope that you'll come visit us and relax a little bit on our paths and maybe learn a few things about the future of forest management and the research that we do here at the NCROC.